Aloha, I'm Aaron, a Target team member in Minneapolis. For me, the holiday season is a lot of family time, or ohana time as we call back home. I know everyone will say this about theirs, but my grandma is the cutest grandma you will ever meet. She would basically fit in this little pocket here. She's so central to our family. She really brings us all together. Good morning, Grandma. How are you? Growing up as a fourth-generation Japanese-American in Hawaii, one of my favorite traditions is that with my grandparents, we would actually do a mochi suki, or pounding our own homemade mochi for the new year. I think the holiday season this year is gonna look so different than so many others. So while I may not be able to make mochi at Mass, I'm gonna make it for me and my husband. I don't have the large traditional usu or the kine and the mallet, but I think I'll try to use, your usual mortar and pestle that you'll find in the kitchen. Jeez. That tradition of pounding mochi as a family and making it from scratch, it is one of those memories that I hang on to in any moments of homesickness. I just wanted to show you my mochi. Not bad, huh? I feel very grateful to be able to share some of these family stories. When it comes to representation, if your story's not being told, if you're not being seen, how can you really feel included? And so I think that that is also what makes being able to share these stories really meaningful. From my tradition to yours, happy holidays. Love you. Bye-bye. That's good.